Now we will understand the third section of your exam paper, that is the literature section. We need to understand this is the subjective section. That means you have already read each and every chapter throughout the year, and you're very well versed with the stories, with the essays and the poems. So you know what is going to come in your hand, or you know the questions and you know the answers. Whereas there are certain unpredictable things in section A and section B. For example, in terms of grammar questions and the sentences, you really don't know what questions or what statements will you come up with. But in section C, this is not so. It is evident, you can really do the guesswork and you know the stories pretty well. So this is the most important subjective questions. Now, to begin with, right in the beginning of the paper, before you start writing, you get 15 minutes of reading time. Now these 15 minutes of reading time is very important for just section C. All that you're going to grab up your paper and move to section C in those 15 minutes of reading time, because here it is very difficult. It is one of the difficult part. Why? Because you have to choose what question you have to write and strategize each section. So for this segment, you need to understand that 15 minutes of reading time is specially given to you for this segment. Coming back to section C of literature, it comes up in two parts. Now, first part is entirely on the novels that you're going to get, the plays. So you have to answer one question from either of the two plays. Moving on to the B part. Now, this is a little complicated, which you need to understand very carefully. You are going to attempt 4 questions in this part, and you have to attempt 3 questions from 3 different books. Now the 4th question can be a repetition from any of the book, but 3 questions will have to be from 3 different books. Now 3 different books here refers to either poems, either short stories, either essays, or you can write an answer or attempt an answer from the play itself. Now keep in mind the sync between the first section, part A, and part B. If you're writing or attempting an answer from without much ado about nothing, then the answer attempted here of the play should be from much ado about nothing only. You should not follow both the acts. Now each question carries you 10 marks. Now these 10 marks are an extract based question. Now a particular extract from any of the question, from any of the segment of that extract will be given to you, and certain small questions or two-liner questions will be asked you, like maybe a 2 marks question, a 1 marks question, who, whose, where. Certain questions related to the extract will be asked to you. So you derive 10 marks each of this section. Now this is an important section. 3 things that you need to keep in mind: how to choose and strategize your questions here. Second, these 15-minute slots. And third, this is the most important section because this might be the least scoring, but this is the most subjective question. So you can pull up your maximum score from this section also.